everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to avoid bots on Omegle. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're annoyed by Omegle bots and you'd like to do something about it, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser. For example, I'm going to open up my Chrome web browser. In the web address bar, you can simply search for an extension that says Omegle, anti-spam and dark mode and perform your search. As soon as you end up in the next page, click on this first link which will take you to chrome.google.com. Now you can easily add this extension to your Chrome web browser. Click on Add to Chrome and in the pop-up, click on Add Extension. Once the extension has been downloaded, if you want to pin the extension at the top of your screen, you can simply click on this extension icon and click on the pin icon. And now, whenever you open up your Omegle account and go through any text chats or video chats, the extension now will help you prevent bots on Omegle.com. Avoiding these bots can be beneficial for you if you want to spend some quality time on Omegle. That is how you can avoid bots on Omegle.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.